Alright, so I'm going to be showing how to replace the battery on this ASUS UX550G notebook PC. Alright, so we're going to be using a T5 or Torx 5 screwdriver, and we're going to remove all the screws from the bottom. You want to keep the screws in order because they can be different size, shape, and lengths. The way I do that, put them flat side down like this on my desk in the pattern I remove them. Alright, so we have this rectangular shape, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright. Okay. If this video helps you out, make sure to like, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can learn how to upgrade and repair their devices as well. Helped you save a bunch of money, please consider contributing a little to the channel. Every little bit helps and allows me to continue making these videos for a living. Alright, let's go ahead and continue getting all these screws out. Okay. Alright, now that we got those, let's see if we can pop this off. I don't know if there's any hidden screws on this model, but I guess we'll find out. I'm going to use a suction cup, and let's see. Oh, okay, this one pops off really easily. Nice, okay. Not too dusty, but I might just clean it out anyways, just to be safe. Okay, since we have it open anyways. And I'm just going to quickly show what's inside of here. You have a M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD. There's the BIOS CMOS RTC battery. Then you got the regular battery. I might have already made a video on this one. Got the keyboard connector under here. Well, we'll take out the battery, so we'll see. You got the two fans, of course, fan connectors on both sides. And you got this connector here. I'm not sure if that's for the LCD or what, but anyways, let's go ahead and get the battery out. So we're going to use a PH1 or JS1 screwdriver to get all those screws out. 4 here along the top, and I think that might be it. Again, keep all the screws in order. Okay. Alright, now they've got those screws out, let's go ahead and actually disconnect the battery here. So I'm going to zoom in here. So the battery is held in with this metal tab. Okay, so you just slide this tab up. Once you do that, you can go ahead and get underneath the white part of this to pop the battery connector out. All right, now let's go ahead and see about removing the battery. So there is this wire running along under for the speakers. And yeah, now I'm remembering, I think I already made a video of this, but I'll do it again anyways because now we have the battery. Okay, so we'll get this out. Unthread this wire here, and then to make it easier, we're going to remove this one speaker. We'll get these two screws out. Okay. Alright, and let's lift the speaker up and out of the way. We can kind of rotate this over. There's some tape here, so we are going to peel that up. Okay, because we are probably going to have to transfer this to the new battery. So we'll peel this tape up. And we'll just kind of move that out of the way. Then we can go ahead now and lift this battery up and pop it out. Right, so that's what the battery looks like. You can see it's a little bit inflated here. Battery model number is right here. C42N1728. All right, I'm gonna set that aside. Let's go ahead now and get the replacement battery here. Okay, so here's the replacement battery. Okay, as you can see, it's not inflated, it's more indented here. Okay, here you can see the trackpad cable. You got this for the LED activity lights on the front, I believe. There's some like hairs in there. Let me see if I can get that out. Okay. Alright, try to clean this a little bit. I think I already cleaned this last time a little bit, and yeah, it's not very dusty, so. Okay, and then you got this. I believe that's for the fingerprint sensor. Is that? Yep. So fingerprint reader connector right there, and then keyboard backlight connector here. And if I didn't mention, there's the wireless card there. I don't see any removable RAM. I think it's actually soldered underneath this metal plate, so you can't really upgrade the RAM. Alright, anyways, we're going to go ahead and get this battery into place. You need to actually get these bottom feet in first. So this has to go slightly at an angle. Okay, then we just drop that down into place. And we'll get the 4 screws for the battery to hold it back down. All right, nice and simple. Okay, make sure that's all lined up. All right. Now let's go ahead and get this speaker back into place. So get this back over here. Okay, yeah, it goes this way. All right, and then just make sure to get all this speaker wiring back in. So we're gonna have it follow these grooves again, just like this. Over, under, okay. Just like that. Have this follow here, get that under there, get that up there, and then we can tape this back down. All right, and then to reconnect this, basically opposite of how we took it out. All right, make sure that metal tab is pushed back. Okay, and you want to make sure, I mean, I don't think you can put it in upside down because the little notches or grooves here, but you want to make sure it's the same. Black wires there, red wires to the right, black wires to the left. Okay. All right, and then these wires are a little bit longer, so you kind of have to maneuver it a little. Okay, and we're just going to get this all lined up and push that down into place. Good. Make sure it's nice and snug, and then you can slide this metal tab back over. All right, it should be able to if it goes in all the way. There we go. Okay, the connector wasn't pushing down all the way. You want to make sure that it's pushed in all the way. And now we can slide this metal latch back on top. All right, that's in, right? Yep, okay. So next thing we're going to want to do is get the bottom cover and put that back on. Zoom out here. Okay, that lined up. Get the bottom cover, and to be safe, we're first going to just put the corner screws in. We do need to switch back to the T5 or Torx 5 screwdriver. Okay, and let's get these screws in. Okay, I'm going to put the corner ones first just to make sure it powers up. All right, so we got those. Let's actually flip it over and see what we got. So we're going to open this up. All right, push the power button. We might have to plug it in, but let's see. Nope, it's turning on, so we should be good to go. All right, so that's pretty much it. We're basically going to go ahead and put the rest of the screws back in. I wonder why the keyboard light, is it just because it's too bright? Oh yeah, it is lighting up. Okay, so it turned on. You can see the time and date and the penguins. Right, we're gonna now shut this down. Shut down, close this up, and we'll get all the screws back in. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can learn how to upgrade and repair their devices as well. And again, if it helped you save a bunch of money, please consider contributing a little to the channel. Every little bit helps and allows me to continue making these videos for a living. Other than that, just got to put back these screws and we're good to go. All right. Put the last few screws in. All right. Last one. Okay, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Drop this. Bye. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering, I did realize I forgot to put these screws back, so I had to open it back up anyways. Oh, I can't do this with one hand, but yep, don't worry, I got the screws back in. Okay, get that back in. All right, there we go, and I'm just gonna put the bottom cover back. Thanks for watching. See y'all later. Bye.